Hello students, now we are going to create the add new student form. There are two tabs available already. The first tab we have created the login form. We give the name for the tabs now. Current tab text, go to the property and give the name. For the first tab I give login. For the second tab I give home. Now we are going to add a new tab. To add a new tab, right click any empty place and insert page after current tab page. Now we have added a new tab. I give the name add student. Now I am going to copy the labels from the previous tab. Select, press Ctrl and select this second label. Copy, right click and copy. Right click and paste. Now I am going to change the name administrator login to add new student. Go to the text and give add new student. Second, enter student details. Now I am going to add a label. The label font size 12 and the text register number. Registration number. And a text box. Line edit. Go to style sheet. Select three dots, add color tab, click the triangle, background color white, give OK, add font size 12, OK, give OK. Now we are going to add a next text box. Now I can copy the previous text box and paste it. Select both, press Ctrl and click this. Now the label and the text box are selected. Right click, copy, right click, paste. Place this. Change the text of the label, scroll down, text, full name, again paste it, gender, now the gender we are going to remove the text box and we will add a combo box. Here's the combo box, drag the combo box. And we will change the color also. Open the style sheet. Double click on the three dots. In the odd color, select the background color. White. Okay. In the add font, select 12. Okay. Give OK. Now we can add some items, male and female. Double click the combo box and click on the plus button. Type male. Again, one more time, click on the plus button. Type female. Give OK. Now we will add the date of birth. We can copy the text box and label. Click the label, press Ctrl and click the text box. Right click and copy. Anywhere right click and paste. Drag it, keep it below this. Full name. We will change the name to date of birth. We will change the name to date of birth. Then we can add age. Right click and paste again. Change the label text to age. Age. Now we can add address. Copy the label and paste it. And place a text edit. Text edit is multi-line text box. Select the style sheet. Click on the three dots. Add color. Background color white. OK. Add font size 12. OK. Give OK. Now we are going to add phone number, email and class. Copy again the text box, label and the text box. Click on the label. Press Ctrl and click on the text box. Right click, copy. And right click and paste. This is phone number. Change the text to phone. Again select the label and Control click on the text box, copy, paste, email, change the text to email, Again, we need a combo box to select the class, so we'll copy the gender and male. Right click copy and right click paste. Now we will change the items in the combo box. Double click the item, double click the combo box. There are two items, remove this. Click on the minus button. Now we can add items. Plus button, first standard. Again plus, second standard. Again plus, third standard. Again plus, fourth standard. Copy this. Plus, fifth standard. Plus, sixth standard. Plus, seventh standard. Eighth standard. Ninth standard. 10th standard. 11th standard. 12th standard. Now we have added 12 standards. Give OK. Now place a button, push button, to save the contents. Push button, drag it and keep it here. Change the text to save student details. And change style sheet. Select the style sheet, select the three dots and add color. Select background color, green color, give OK, and add font 12, font size 12, give OK. Give OK. Now we have created the add new student form successfully. Thank you for watching.